let me preface this. I'm not a big privacy person, so let me tell you a quick blurb about me. I use 1Password, literally, and whenever I have to change it,
you should not admit that.
No,
dude.
it's okay. No, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you.
Wait. You don't mean 1Password
No.
as a service. You
can
mean
ask any of my
1Password
friends.
that is the
I use
password.
No.
What is
I'm gonna
going
tell you
on
why
right
I'm okay to
now?
admit this.
What is going on right now?
I'm gonna get there. You guys can get this. So I've been using 1Password for like literally the entire existence of the internet. All right, I have a really small brain, as T
Is it
drew
dolphins?
earlier. Yeah. So, and I also use Chrome. So that already tells you a lot about me, that privacy is not like the biggest thing. If you went on the dark web, there would probably be a convenience store
you
with
pause?
all my information in it, because it has been, my identity has been stolen like 3 times, and like 3 weeks ago, someone's tried to steal it again. It's like insane. So I've
you
already
saying-
given up on my privacy because I know it's just splattered all over the internet. So like at this point, I just like don't even care. That being
You're saying
said,
you're not that into privacy because you
Yeah,
use
yeah.
1Password and everyone already logs into your accounts. Is that what you're saying?
I'm not going to go any further into my privacy practices. Okay.
If only there was a way to solve this, Trash Dev, you could have your privacy back.
You're already
know.
using
So
Chrome.
you saw the recommendation from the security expert that was like, you should use a service like 1Password, and you remembered the 1Password part and forgot the service
Why would I
part,
trust
I guess.
1Password? I don't know what they're
That's actually
doing.
a good point. That's a good.
That's
good
what I'm
answer.
saying.
Good
Totally
answer.
fair.
Like, you want me to go
Totally
trust someone
fair.
else with my password? No, I trust whatever's in
With my
here that I often
password.
forget, like all the time.
Singular. Like I'm gonna trust them
Okay,
with my
to be
one
fair, my
password.
1Password is pretty long. It's a pretty big password, so I don't know if you can
I
brute
know a
force
lot of
it.
Keep telling yourself that. Keep telling yourself
It has a
that.
special character. It has an uppercase, lowercase, and it has some numbers. This is pretty good.
Oh, wow.
I feel like I'm pretty protected. Okay.
That's probably they're not going to be able to break that. That's
It
unbreakable.
would probably
right there.
take like a couple of years, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I feel good. I feel
Do
good.
you and your wife share the
Okay.
same password?
No, but she actually is even worse. She doesn't even know her password. She had to log out of her email, and we couldn't get back at her email because she didn't even know the password. So we were like, what do we do? Don't trust password managers. Trust what's in here. Use 1Password.
Trash, just a quick question. Of course, the question by God is my judge. 95. What's your password, Trash?
It's too long. Starts with a P, ends with a number.
You just reduced the search page.
And there's at least like 40 things in between there. Okay? Good luck, buddy. Something happens to my stuff today, I'm going to be very sad.
But here's the thing: is like, if you only have 1Password, then someone's going to leak that password. Some service.
Every
is gonna be storing it
every
in plain
time I
text
log
'cause they're
into something,
stupid,
it
right?
tells me that my password's leaked
Yeah.
and I should change it, and I just like ignore it.
This just keeps getting better.
It was like your password was like leaked in the breach. I'm like, yeah, whatever, man.
Shit happens.
Yeah, don't talk to me about
tell me-
no breach. I don't want to hear about some
You don't know
breach.
where I'm
It's
from.
not-
Where I'm
not
from, I'm
relevant
not
to
scared
me.
of those warnings.
Yeah.
Oh my
You're not
Lord.
online banking, right? You have to go in person.
I do the multi-factor stuff. That helps, right?
It does help.
Got the MFA. Pretty
Okay.
good. Feels like it's pretty safe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I still have my.
good.
I mean, I'm not
That's
gonna lie.
good.
I've had my like
That's a
savings
plus.
like wiped like 3 times. But they've gave it back. They gave it back. So we're okay.
But you just left the front door and continued open. They're like, dude, you've been breached. What are you going to do? I'll just leave the bank password the same.
Okay, real scenario. I was on the phone with one of like the fraud people, and he's like, "Would you like to change your password?" And I was like, "Can we just keep it the same?" And it was just like 10 seconds of dead silence, and I was like, "Just make it the same, man." It's not even kidding, because I will forget, and then I would just be locked out anyway. So
What did you tell him? You're like, look, we
look, I got a small brain. We gotta just keep it the same. I'm sorry.
As we know, we're able to recover it here. You just said you can get the money back, so I'll just call you.
Yeah,
if
just
it gets
roll
switched
the
again.
account
It's cool.
number and
It's
the
cool,
routing
bro.
numbers. Let's
It
try
just
it
works
again.
fine.
Just hit them
it
with
again.
only 1 in 20,000 people or whatever have identity theft. Like, it's not going to happen to me again.
I mean, I think
The
once
reason-
every couple of years is acceptable.
Oh my gosh! The reason why
Yeah.
the reason why that stat is that way is that trash dev represents a huge portion of it. They're like,
Yes, a very
this one
large
guy's been
number
breached
of them,
9,000 times, therefore it's 1 in 20,000. Everybody, 1 in 20,000.
It's like the whale. He's the whale of breaches. It's like, you know, there's this very bimodal graph where like trash is up at the top, occupying like 50% of all breaches.
Should I just switch my browser? If I change my browser, will it be better?
This is such the wrong audience to tell. Like every time Prime opens a website,
Yeah.
we get a million DDoS.
Yeah.
Like you've made a terrible error. Go change your passwords now.
When this was a
please.
topic, I was like, I gotta tell them how I roll. I'm like the worst person to talk about privacy.
Well, I love how you equate the password with privacy, like because it's so bad anyone can access your stuff.